In this video, we will demonstrate how to program TX3 intercom using a computer. First, we need to download and install TX3 configurator. Open the browser and go to mycom.com. Go to Resource, Downloads. If you do not have an account, click Don't have an account. Fill in all the information and click Register. Then, log in using your account. Click Software Firmware Updates. Click TX3. Then, next to TX3 configuration and monitor utility, click Download. Click Save File. Save. After the download is finished, run the setup. Click Yes. And follow the steps when the installer is ready. In this case, I already installed the program, so I just exit the installer. After it finished install, run TX3 configurator. Click Yes. The default password is empty, so just click Login. Click New. Under Job Name, enter a name for the project. And then under Create from a template, select Basic TCP Telephone Access System. Click OK. On the left side, click Panel 1. On Panel Label tab, you can change the name of your panel. For example, front door, or you can leave it as default. We will also need to change panel model and the IP address. This information will be provided by the installer. In this case, I will select TX3 120/200-4. For the IP address, I'm going to change it to 192.168.1.91 and then click Test Connection. Test succeed. Then click Connect to make sure the software has communication with the intercom. It says panel front door online. Click on the residence on the left side. If your intercom already has data, you can click Get to pull the data from the intercom. To add a attendant's phone number, click Add Res button. Enter total number of residents to add. Let's say I'm gonna click, for example, I will click 2. Remember that the resident name and dial code must be the same, must be different for each tenant. For example, if I add a resident with the same name or dial code, you will get an error. So I have to change the fourth tenant to different name. Dial code also have so I have to change the dial code to the unused one. 3 is good in this case. Double click the row to edit tenant's information. Under Name tab, you can change the name over here. This is the name that show on the intercom panel. So I'm going to enter apartment 1A, apartment number 1A, and enter the phone number under phone number tab. Click OK. Right now I'm going to fill in the rest of the information. After you finish editing tenant's information, you can click Send to send the data to the intercom. After you see Send job complete, you should see 4 directory on the intercom. You may exit the program now. In this video, we demonstrate how to program TX3 intercom using a computer.